So today we are talking about Rasasi Hawas Black. Let's get into the nitty gritty of this. Per usual, best discounts, places to buy fragrances, Fragrance Buy and Joma Shop. Joma Shop, you can do designer shopping as well, watches, handbags, clothing. Great websites linked below. And right now at Fragrance Buy, Hawas Black, this 100 ml bottle is 58 Canadian. So that's right around 40 bucks USD. Absolutely worth it. But let's get into this. So let me just show you a little bit of the box here. This is what we're looking at. Kind of popped open, but it's just a paper box, nothing really special. I just kept mine in because I know you guys like to see the box. So that's kind of the full presentation. We'll open it up here. We got our bottle. Might have some fingerprints, but here it is. Feels pretty good. The glass feels good, a nice color in the juice. That's Hawas Black. There we go, a very powerful atomizer. Right off the bat, the construction quality of the fragrance, the glass, the atomizer is pretty good. Now let's talk about this scent. As soon as it opens up, you are instantly reminded of Hacivat by Nishane. So that is what this fragrance is being inspired by, right? It's trying to replicate that scent profile. And right off the bat, so Hacivat in Canada, the retail price, this is not a joke, you can look it up. It's $500, like flat. This fragrance for Canadian, almost 10% the price. Instead of 500, it's just around 50 Canadian. Smells 99% similar to Hacivat. It's mind-blowing. So as soon as you first spray it, you get that pineapple, that sour pineapple, you get a little bit of bergamot, and you do get that really sexy, smoky ambroxan mixed with the oak moss and a little bit of patchouli. So that's the difference between Hacivat and Aventus, is Hacivat smells maybe even a little more mature because Hacivat has this oak moss, patchouli vibe that's just darker, spicier, and richer. Same overall idea as far as taking fruits and ambroxan, but executed totally different ways. I know a lot of people compare Aventus to Hacivat, and this is literally the scent profile of Hacivat. So I was wearing this. I want to talk about the performance now. I was wearing this fragrance. I wore it today right before I shot this video too, just so it's fresh in my mind. This is beast mode off my skin, 2 feet plus. Couple sprays on my arm, you're projecting all day, 2 feet plus, 10 hours. This isn't an 8-hour fragrance. This is 10 plus hours on skin. It is an absolute monster. It is one of the best valued inspiration fragrances I've ever tried. And I've tried quite a few. I'm very impressed with this. So far the scent profile is dead on. The projection, the performance is outstanding. Now, compliment factor, how's this gonna do? This will get you compliments as long as you don't just blast away. You know, a few sprays, go about, start your day. If you're indoors, maybe one spray behind your neck. As long as you spray moderately, where people can still smell you, but you're not being annoying, this will garner you compliments. This smells sexy. This smells like a man. It smells masculine, right? So you guys, you know, 20s, maybe university and older, of course, 30s, 40s, 50s. This is the fragrance you want to be wearing if you want something mass appealing, but also that doesn't smell typical. The Hacivat DNA, Rasasi Hawas Black DNA, does something a little different than those typical citrus and ambroxan fragrances that you find every now and then. The quality is just so good with this one. How you would wear this is a great fragrance to wear however you'd like. So you can wear it in the morning, you could wear it in the evening, the weather doesn't matter, the situation doesn't matter. Just spray appropriately. That's all you're going to be doing with this one. So overall, what do I think? I think this is absolutely worth it. I think it's a pickup. I think you should get it now. If you like good inspiration fragrances, I'm the first to call out when they're bad, when they're a waste of your time. I want you guys to trust my opinion. That's part of this. You know, it works both ways. And this fragrance right here, I do think you need to pick up. You need to pick up on my recommendation. If you like the Hacivat scent profile, you can blind buy this, you're fine. So those are my thoughts on Hawas Black. Let me know down below what you think if you've tried it out. And if there's any other inspiration fragrances you want me to review, I will try to get around to reviewing them. Per usual, the links are all down below. So you got Fragrance Buy, you got Joma Shop. You can definitely find Hawas Black there. And you can follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'll do shorter type reviews if you guys are in a hurry. See you guys in the next one.